Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security. Let's tap. Then let's scroll down again and localize the option More Settings, and here the third option, Encryption and Credentials. And at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so delete all credentials. Let's simply tap on it, then tap on delete to confirm. And as you can see, your device will show you this information, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.